Okay, so I got this new JP's Tack tool in the mail. I haven't even opened it yet. And it is for Chicago screws. So I wanted to open it and see how it works. Okay, so there's the business card. Amy is who I bought it from. She was super nice. Shipping was really fast. It's super lightweight. Like, I didn't expect it to be like that. I thought it was metal. Okay, so I did find this head stall, and let's see here. This screw right here, if you tighten it or loosen it, it's just going to spin. I think you can tell. So, what you do is you put the rubber tip on the back, like that, and then you squeeze it, and it's got room so you can get your screwdriver in there. And just undo it, and it's coming right out, and it's not spinning. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And then she also said that it would work to, yeah, I gotta find the one that I was thinking of. It would work to get the ones that you think you have tight enough. Like this one, it didn't spin when I was loosening it, but it'll spin when I tighten it. See there? So she said that you can get these tighter, actually, by putting that on there. Oh yeah. Yep. I like it. Awesome. Thanks, Amy.